Hello, hope everyone is doing fine. So, we are back with a brand new review. And guess what we have for today's special edition? The J5V1 Pro Tactical Flashlight. Top rated, most popular, and with over 14,000 plus positive review. The number of reviews speaks about the quality of the J5V1 Pro. It just delivers everything you want. And today, we will see why it's so special. J5 Tactical V1 Pro features and specifications. 1.02 into 3.7 into 1.02 inches overall dimension. Sturdy aluminum alloy frame. Weights only 65 g. Rugged belt holder. 300 lumen power capacity. Tailgating or tactical switch. Runs on single rechargeable AA Oregon 14500 battery. So, the first feature is compact size and indestructible structure. This flashlight means some serious business when it comes to durability and quality construction. So, how it is made? Its body is made of aviation-grade aluminum alloy, with cooling fins to minimize the heating effect during a rundown. So, how is the gripping and tactical striking? The gripping is made comfy with the newly innovated rugged ridge design. Also, the strike bezel comes with a delicate crown cutout in the front for effective tactical striking. How is the portability? The flashlight weights is only 65 gram, making it easy to carry. Its overall size make it easily fit into your shorts pocket or purse. Additionally, the portability has increased with the inclusion of a rugged belt clip that you can use to hold the flashlight. What's more? Also, it comes with an IPX4 rating for water resistant up to 9 feet underneath the water. Some reviewers even claim that it remains operational even after running over by a car. So, what is the second important feature? The second point is extraordinary light emission output. This ultra-bright tactical flashlight comes with a 300 lumen output, which is sufficient to illuminate any dark conditions with ease. It can, in reality, can light up around objects up to 600 feet distance. The third specification is zoom in and out for better focus. This is a unique feature of this J5V1 Pro flashlight. You can actually control the widening or narrowing of the focal point. Wow, life just gets better and better with such a zooming capacity of the flashlight. Here goes number 4 point, battery life and safety. It runs with a single AA battery, which will last for 4 hours. Alternatively, you can use Li-ion 14500 rechargeable batteries, also for a better output. What's about battery safety? And for the battery safety, that tail cover also supports water-resistant O-ring, that prevents water from entering the battery case. The result, lasting battery life and peace of mind, for not spending much on the batteries. Here goes number 5. Suitable position of the switch. Unlike regular flashlights, this superior torch owns the on and off switch in the back instead of the sides. This prevents accidental turn on and battery drain out. Furthermore, the on and off switch also works as a tactical button. It thus control the light emission depending on your preferences. Here is the pros and highlights of the flashlight. The lightweight and compact design enable easy portability. The tailgate switch prevents accidental turn on to stop the battery drain. The flashlight frame remains cool due to its cooling fins. Its rugged clip lets you hold the light in your backpack and helmet. Narrow to extensive zooming is perfect for light painting. Let's talk about cons and flaws of the flashlight. First cons is battery not included. And last one is the switch is tight and needs pressure. So, who should use the V1 Pro flashlight? Yes, of course, if you will buy it, it will be a win-win situation for you. I will describe here 3 points. First off, its ultra-bright luminosity and long-lasting battery are ideal for uses in the home, traveling, camping, trailing time and rough weather application. The next prominent use of the flashlight is in light painting or night photography. Its 3 modes, zooming feature, and enlarged 600 feet lighting capacity, will be a good deal for creative photography to show off your brilliance. Also, with the attack head, aka crenulated strike bezel, makes the flashlight the right choice for law enforcement officers and guards at night. The ultra-bright light also makes sure thieves won't be able to hide in dark corners. How about such a facility? Wrapping up, J5 V1 Pro flashlight. It's unique, superb and long-lasting. The light is ideal for security strolling at night, house safety, camping, night light photography. So, what are you up to, my mate? Get this remarkable flashlight before time runs out. Concluding here and wish you all the best.